now the question is, how do you build trust, right? There are three things that you need to work on, no? Ano yung what builds trust? Una, familiarity. Mahirap magtiwala sa mga taong hindi mo kilala, no? And by kilala, I don't just mean names, no? Knowing people's personality, their values, what's important to them, ayan yung strengths, yung weaknesses nila ay essential, no? So, bilang isang leader, you have to create opportunities for people to know each other better. Yung pangalawa ay norms or ground rules, rules of engagement. Basically, it answers the question, how do we work together effectively as a team? Bilang isang leader, yung norms, hindi dapat ikaw lang yung nagbibigay sa team mo. Hindi mo sasabihin sa yung team na, o team, ito ang ating norms. Hindi. You sit down with the team and then you agree. Pag-usapan ninyo, no? So, hopefully, kung leader ka at wala kayong team norms, hopefully bukas, no, you schedule a meeting with your team members and come up with team norms that promote trust.